Hey guys, we're putting a patch panel in Jake's cab here out of the old cab. This was the original piece that was in this cab. Looks like I got hit by a train. It's pretty mangled. Jake cut that piece out of the old cab. It's all right. We'll fix it. Cut this piece out of this cab. We're using metal clothes hanger pieces to fill in the gaps where we don't quite line up. You can see them right there. Yeah, a little gap there. You can fill out with weld, but I'll show you an easier way. We still got to trim a little bit to the top. Beat the top out a little bit because it's bowed. We'll get at it, but it'll hold the window now. Everything's true. We had to cut this, pie shape this to bring this over because the whole cab was pulled in. We just trying to make it fit a new glass. Get to work. Hold it in the groove so we can get it in there welded. Just get lined up. So to hold it, get a little tack going. Weld a little more. Jacob will take the air compressor and blow it off to cool it so we don't get any warpage. Yep.
See if I can blow that pad off.
So the guys decided they wanted to get ice cream night, mainly Jake. So he took a break from working on the truck to come over and get ice cream. Had to bring the dogs. And as we're sitting here waiting for our ice cream, there's now a tornado warning going on. So we'll see how this plays out. Alright guys, so you can tell those videos were from the other night. We had multiple tornadoes across Ohio, and so our thoughts and prayers definitely go out with all those affected in the area. Indian Lake was hit really hard. We've been busy doing a bunch of other things, so we're trying to get caught up on those and get videos together for you. We have some big surprises coming with the Hellhound, as long as Mother Nature works with us, which obviously tonight it's not. So stay tuned.